Hey guys, thanks for joining me. It's Cal at Rise. We're here in the Rise booth at SHOT Show 2025. Wanted to show you guys something that's pretty cool. It's our Remington 700 and clone action trigger. It's called the Reliant Pro. Really cool feature on this trigger is it has adjustable pull weight and over travel slots externally. So when your trigger's installed, you can go in there and adjust your pull weight and over travel. So our Pro version, which I have here in this rifle, is adjustable from 3 pounds to just under 1 pound. And then it's got a really nice safety lever here. It's got some additional safety features that kind of solve the problem of the safety issues when you're with your Reliant, with your Remington 700 actions. And then give you guys a demonstration of the pull weight. And as you can see, it's super light, crisp, and easy going. So a great upgrade for your Remington 700 or clone action rifle. If you're doing PRS competitions, long range shooting, or even hunting, the Reliant trigger from Rise Armament is a great option to add to your bolt gun.
Awesome. And then, Calvin, do you mind showing me the Hunter version
Not
of
at
that?
all, man. Hey guys, Cal from Rise here at SHOT Show 2025 in the Rise booth once again. I showed you guys the Reliant Pro, the higher end PRS competition long range shooting version of the Reliant. What I've got in this one is the Reliant Hunter, which as the name suggests is geared more towards hunters. So this one has an adjustable pull weight of 3 to 5 pounds, and it still has the external adjustable pull weight while the trigger's installed. There's a detent and a spring inside these, so when you're adjusting them while they're installed, you can feel the tension and hear it clicking, so you kind of know exactly where you're at. A really cool feature. And just like the Reliant Pro, the Reliant Hunter has a lot of the same safety features, so you don't got to worry about bump firing or misfires. We made sure to try and solve that problem. Again, 3 to 5 pounds, so a little heavier, but for those hunters who need a little bit more poundage to avoid any catastrophes, this is the perfect option. So if you've got a Remington 700 or clone action hunting rifle that you use, the Reliant Hunter just might be the trigger for you.